Real deal. Hold up. Come on. Man, what's good, YouTube, man? Welcome back to the channel, y'all. It's your boy Reese in the Cut, and we back with another banger video for y'all today, man. Now, as y'all can tell by the title and the thumbnail of the video, y'all, we got another jewelry review for you guys today. And it's finna get real chilly, real cold in the room, man, because today we got ICECARTEL / Ice Cartel in the building for you guys today. I'm gonna put it right there at the bottom of the screen. Guys, go shop, man. Whatever you need, they got moissanite chains, moissanite watches. They got everything you need, man, you know, at a good affordable price, man. You know, stop getting overpriced and overcharged by these jewelers out here. Moissanite is shinier than a diamond. Why would you not? Like, come on, bro. But yeah, though, before we get to the video, I'm gonna need y'all to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, man, let's we on the road to 13,000 subscribers, so let's get it, y'all, man. Hey, as y'all can see, our package has finally arrived. Now, mind y'all this, I just placed the order for this last week. It's already here. It came in 5 days. Fast shipping. This is the fastest shipping company I've ever worked with. Like, hey, shout out to Ice Cartel, man. I just want to say before we open it up, I want to say thank you guys. I'm very grateful. Appreciate the sponsorship. Hey, hopefully we can keep working together in the future. Further ado, man, let's see what's to it, man. I'm excited, man. Let's go. Let's go, man. Now, I believe, y'all, I got a bracelet and I got a tennis chain. You feel what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm real excited about that. And it is moissanite diamonds, y'all. Y'all heard it from Reese in the Cut myself. There's nothing wrong with moissanite diamonds, y'all. They are shinier than a diamond, and they still pass the diamond tester test. We got the diamond tester with us today, so I'm gonna let y'all see that, man. For the people who's not a believer out there, I'm gonna turn y'all into a believer today, man. So as y'all can see, they got this thing packaged up real good for y'all. This and that. Okay, here we go. It's that time. It's showtime, man. We made it to the big leagues, y'all. Ice Cartel, man. Hey, y'all get this nice little gift bag right here. Y'all get this to somebody as a gift. They gonna say, oh yeah, you did it. You did your big one. You did the big right here. You know what I'm saying? Cause they know you spent a pretty little penny. You know what I'm saying? You know, even though it's affordable, you know, you still gonna spend a little something, you know. So perfect gift. Perfect gift. I recommend this. You know, it's all in the bubble wrap right here. You know what I'm saying? Your stuff gonna come all packaged up. You ain't gotta worry about your jewelry getting bent up or damaged or anything like that. And as y'all can see right here, we got the grade A diamonds logo. Grade A diamonds tested, man. They said test it, man. Test it, man. Put it on the tester. Y'all know. I'm moving a little fast because I'm excited, y'all. I've been waiting on this collab, man. As y'all can see right here, comes with a nice little cloth. You know what I'm saying? So you don't gotta be using no paper towels, no tissue to be trying to wipe off your jewelry, this and that. Y'all use this right here, this little cloth right here. Y'all use that, man, to clean off y'all jewelry and stuff. Y'all know what I'm saying? Now, man, oh, what else we got? Another grade A diamond thing. They want y'all to know that these are certified diamonds. Tested, man. Tested. All right, next up, woo! We got the box, man. That thing official, man. Y'all see that? What that say? Ice Cartel. Don't play with it, man. Don't play with it, y'all. All right, man. Let's open it up. Hey, I feel like I'm playing Fortnite right now, and I'm about to open up a chest. Y'all remember 2018 season 1 or 2017 season 1 when you open up a chest? Let's open up. Let me get the sound effect too. Woo! Oh yeah, that thing, bro. Come on, bro. I wonder if I turn off the flash, is they gonna still come? No flash. No flash. Oh yeah, no flash. Get into it. Them things shining. No flash, man. Let me turn back on my little light, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, let's really get into it, man. Okay, so y'all, the chain is a 20 inch. This is a 20-inch chain right here. Let's first let's get into the chain, y'all. Ooh, it's getting cold in here, man. Hey, I might have to go turn on the heat for the one time. It's getting a little chilly. That thing icy, man. Let's go ahead and put it on, y'all. And I got a good length too. I got a great length. This is a good, perfect. Not too small. Y'all can see, man, we back, y'all, and this is the chain. This is the chain right here. Let me get y'all a nice close look, man. Look at that thing, y'all. Look at that thing. At first, let's get that diamond test out here. Let's get it out. Let's get it out, man. You know, let's get that thing out. Hey, real deal. Real deal. Hold up. Come on. Y'all see it? Y'all see? Let me get that bracelet. Let's get, all right. This is the bracelet right here, y'all. We got an 8-inch. This is an 8-inch chain. It's an 8-inch. 5mm 8-inch. Cuban bracelet chain, y'all. I mean, a Cuban bracelet. Yeah, chain. My bad, y'all. Tweaking. Moving a little too fast. Look at that thing, y'all. Look at that thing. Look at that thing, man. Hold up, y'all. Come on, man. All right, y'all. Let's go ahead and try this thing on. We back with the bracelet, and look at that thing, y'all. Now, I ain't gonna lie. Probably should have got a 7-inch. But y'all see that thing? Come on now, man. Come on now. Let me turn off the flash, bro. Just to show y'all, man. Just to show y'all what y'all getting yourselves into. Look at that thing, y'all. Look at the focus on it, bro. Like, come on, look at the chain. He's on, man. Look at the chain, man. Y'all see that, bro? Y'all see that, bro? Y'all see it, man. Y'all see it. Look. See, look at the shine. That thing shining in the dark, bro. Come on, man. Turn that light back on for y'all. Yeah. Get into it, though, bro. Get into it, man. Y'all know what it is. But yeah, though, as y'all can see, this is the bracelet right here. It's a little big, but I can get it fitted, y'all. I can get a couple dimes sticking out or something, you know what I'm saying? I can take it to a jewelry. You know what I'm saying? But as y'all can see, man, hold my fist up. I hold that fist. I feel like a rapper now. Hold up, y'all. I feel like a rapper. Hold up. You know what I'm saying? Let me take a little video for y'all. Let me take a little video for you. I gotta get my video in, man. Hold up. Hold up, man. Don't play. Look at that thing. Hold up. Look at them diamonds. Woo. Woo. I might have to put this in the video too. Look. Yeah, I might have to put that in the video too. Just show y'all how them things hitting, bro. But yeah, though, man, that's the video right there, y'all. Hey, I'm very happy with the how everything came out. As y'all can see, man, I'm iced up. I'm iced out, man. Before we end the video, I just want to say shout out to Ice Cartel, man. I appreciate you guys. Hopefully we can collab on another piece real soon, y'all. Hey, man, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. And go shop at Ice Cartel, man. Hey, like, these things is literally glistening. Oh, and my bad. I forgot to, hold up, before we end off the video. I forgot to go ahead and diamond test the bracelet for y'all. As y'all can see, right there on the stone. Hold up, let me get it right there. Bam. Bam. Hold up, let me take it off for y'all too. Let me take it off for y'all. I don't want y'all to say I'm cheating or nothing. Come on now. Let's get it right on now. Let's get a nice good focus. Look at that. Get it right on the stone. All the way up. Straight ice. Straight ice, man. Hey, that's gonna wrap it up for the video, man. Y'all see me, man. We iced out, man. Y'all go shop with Ice Cartel, man. I'm out this bit, man.